And I've decided that I want to die.
Did you just fucking give up in the middle of your shooting? Like, you just stood still. You took every single bullet. Like, why? Hello, goat. Goat. Hi, goat. Wow, epic battle. Good job. Whoa. Whoa. Calm down. Now it was an epic battle between me and you, but you lost. Wait for my banana, please. Kindly, please. Please hold for my banana. Please step on my banana. I beg you.
Please step on my banana. Please, sir. I really want you to step on my banana. Please, would you be so kind?
Fine, I'll kill you. You chose violence. Should have just stepped on my banana. This is what happens if you don't step on people's bananas. If they ask you to. You should step on people's bananas. And I just destroyed my tier 2 shield. Oh, for fuck!